What if a wave of molasses swept through your city? On January 15, 1919, a massive storage tank in Boston burst, unleashing over 2 million gallons of sticky molasses. A 25-foot wave raced through the streets at 35 miles per hour, crushing buildings and trapping people and horses in its path. The disaster claimed 21 lives and injured over 150, leaving the North End coated in a brown, sticky mess for months. Investigations revealed shoddy construction and ignored safety warnings. The Great Molasses Flood remains one of history's strangest urban catastrophes.